What's up, YouTube? It's me, John Vaughn, and pretty early in the morning right now, so I figured before I actually start my day and do everything, I would say what's up to you and what's up to Facebook, so what's up? And I would just let you know a little bit more why I was so excited yesterday. The biggest reason that I was excited yesterday is because I'm building some drones. I'm president of a hardware hacking club, and we've taken on a project to build a ground drone and a company aerial drone, a helicopter. They're going to be autonomous, they're going to move by themselves, and what they're going to do is they're going to create a 3D map of their environment. So you just take them, you let them go, turn them on, let them go wherever you want to, and they will drive themselves, go completely by themselves, and they'll create a 3D map of their environment and send it back to you so you know what it looks like. I was so excited because we got this, one of our advisors, Professor Timmer, sent off, and we got this because we were participating in the Maker's Fair. So I got my first chance to play with Arduino yesterday, and it was pretty cool. So if you want to see what it is that I actually did yesterday, so this is our room, right? As you can tell, this is definitely a nerd room because it's just computers everywhere. All this stuff over here, this is actually this is actually what's going to be our drone. So here's my Arduino that I got here. I use Kali Linux is what I use as far as an operating system whenever I need to be on a computer. I don't really like Windows machines. I like to use Linux machines, and Kali Linux is probably one of the best of them. So I'm going to open up my Arduino IDE so I can do some more programming. But here's my Arduino board right here, and it's pretty simple. I got me a little simple breadboard right here, and let's see, grab me a little pointer. This is just a buzzer right here. So we got a buzzer, we got a red LED light, we got a photo sensor, we got a resistor, and we got some jumper pins is all. So what is this weird contraption right here? Well, this is just something that I made to annoy the fuck out of anybody that comes in this room whenever I'm not in here, because basically what this does is if I plug it in, makes a really annoying sound. I'm going to plug this guy in right here. Okay, so it makes this really annoying sound right there, and it doesn't stop. Just makes that really annoying sound. How do you get it to stop? Well, you turn off the lights. Turn off the lights and it stops. Turn them on and it starts again. So I know it's very annoying. It's kind of useless. I'm going to unplug it because it is really annoying. I made it just for the sole purpose of annoying people that come in this room. So all this stuff right here, this is going to be a lot of our actual drone. So we're going to take some motors off of this guy right here. We're going to take some motors off of this guy right here. This is used for radio frequency control. This, you might wonder, what would I do with the TV remote? How is that going to help a drone? Well, it's got a infrared sensor in it. It's got an infrared sender, so we can send an infrared beam. So I'm going to hijack that out of there. What's this? Well, this is an old CD drive. It's an old CD drive that you could, it's an external CD drive that you can plug in. And what is this going to actually do? Well, we're going to hijack a motor out of here, and we're going to hijack the laser out of here. Here's an old webcam. So this has a bunch of infrared lights. We're going to hijack those, and we're going to hijack the camera for our drone. And then these mice right here are laser pointed mice. We're going to hijack the lasers out of there. And we're going to take all that together. Instead of going the traditional route that people go whenever they're making stuff, and they go out and buy all brand new parts and they make their drones and their robots like that. Well, in our hardware hacking club, we don't really do stuff like that. We go find really cheap items that have the components that we need, and then we just hack into them, we take them apart, we pull our components out, and we put our stuff together that way. It's going to be the first drone that I make. It should be pretty cool. I'll keep you guys updated. If you want more info, you can always hit me up on Facebook, facebook.com king.john.vaughn if you want to. You can also check us out on YouTube, my YouTube channel, user Think Vaughn. Got a bunch of cool videos on there. This is probably the best video on there. It's called Stalking People at Night. So it's basically just me drunk, terrorizing some random dude and stalking him at night. And that's pretty cool. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and get to taking all this stuff apart. I just wanted to say hi to y'all in the morning, you know, because I don't get to talk to y'all a lot, or I don't get to see y'all a lot because I'm always stuck here doing stuff. Go grab a Poly Pop. They're pretty cheap. I got work to do. You should check out this video, Stalking People at Night, on my YouTube channel. You'll really like it because I end up shooting this guy because he gets really mouthy with me. But y'all take it easy.